How to pay later on DoorDash. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay later on your DoorDash account. So first of all you have to do is just simply install the application in your mobile device, and once you're done installing the app in your device, just simply click on open and open the app, and after that just create your profile right here. And once you're done creating your profile and once you're in the app, just simply select the meal or the food that you would want to eat from your DoorDash account. And once you are done selecting the food, just simply put that product into your cart. And once you are done putting that food into the cart, just click on view cart from the bottom. And over here at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see two options like place order and a payment option. Just simply tap on payment option right here. And now when you scroll all the way down, you will be able to see the option called cash on delivery. So in order to pay later on your DoorDash account, all you have to do is just select cash on delivery for now. And once you selected cash on delivery, after that just simply click on place order. And after that you have to make the payment once your order is delivered on your doorstep. So this is basically how you will be able to pay later on your DoorDash account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.